Good day everyone. Today we will discuss on. You have questions, sir. I am learning English but my English is not improving. Then what should I do? Do you have this question? Then you must watch this video till the end. Then definitely after watching this video you will know, and after that you will not say that my English is not improving. So my dear friends, I am saying you that are you learning English but your English not improving. First Allah, before learning you want patience. You have to say that because first of whatever we do, we think it is tough, it is difficult, and it is not improving. But when we will keep doing, then definitely after some time, after 20 to 30 day, we notice easy. And so my dear friends, like this English, now you have questions, sir, my English is not improving, then what should I do? Don't worry my dear friends, one day definitely you will speak fluently and confidently. No one can stop you. But before learning English you want to pay faith, and you have to say definitely I will speak English fluently and confidently. Then definitely my dear friends, you will speak fluently and confidently. No one can stop you, but you have to keep speaking. Yes, you have to keep practicing, and one day you will notice that your English is improved. Okay, so definitely I am suggesting you should stop making excuses, but you have to say today I am not, because first of all I will share my journey. When I was learning English, then I think that English is tough and my English is not improving, but slowly now I am noticed that English is my English is improved. Yes, my English is improving. When my English can improve, how can you not? Your English cannot improve. Yes, my dear friends, only you want to patient and you have to keep practicing. And you don't have any practice partner, then you can practice with the mirror. Yes, you can practice into the mirror, that definitely you will notice. And because what is advantage of mirror, and when I will practice in front of me mirror, then what will I get? So my dear friends, you have hesitation and you have fumbling and you have fear. If you want to overcome your fear, then when you will speak in front of mirror, before the mirror, then definitely you can overcome your fear. Yes, fumbling come while speaking. Fumbling comes while speaking. Then with the help of practice it in front of mirror, before the mirror, you can improve your communication skill. So my dear friends, I want to suggest to you, you have to practice as much as possible before the mirror, then definitely you can improve your communication skill. And after you have to give 1 hour per day. Yes, what what will you do in 1 hour? Then you have to practice, only you have to practice. Yes, you have to practice whatever you know, you have to speak. You have to speak daily 1 hour per day. Yes, I'm saying you have to practice 1 hour. Not uh, not only you have to study, but you have to only practice 1 hour. If you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to overcome your hesitation, then you have to speak before the mirror. And after 30 days, within the 30 days, you will notice many changes. And now you know, after that you will speak, you can speak among the people and you will not hesitate. Yes, my dear friends, you have to speak among the people, then definitely your English can be improved. No one can stop you. But before the learning English, you want to patient, you have to say, one day I will speak English fluently and confidently, then definitely you will speak English. No one can stop you. And you should not say that my English. And first of all, my dear friends, your English is not improving, then you have to speak. The first of all, you have to speak. You have some content, but you have to speak about the. Suppose that today you have to speak water. Second, you have to speak about the tree. What is tree and what is the advantage of tree? With the help of tree, what will I do? You have to speak like this. And third day, you have to choose the mountain and what is the advantage of mountain. And if we have to go to on the mountain, then what should I do, and where is mountain, and who live in the mountain. Then like this, who live on the mountain, like this you can practice. Yes, my dear friends, first day, second day, third day, daily you have to choose different topic, and after that you have to speak. If you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to become fluent in English, you have to choose daily different topic, and after that you have to speak. After that you have to describe the topic, because after some time when you will speak about the different topic, then you will have more vocab, and after that you will not feel nervous, and you will not feel nervous, and after that you will not discourage. Only you have to choose different topic, and after that if speak, and after that you will notice that my English is improving. Yes, when my English can improve, so how can you not improve? And before the English, before learning English, you should not comparison yourself to other. You should not say that that person is speaking very fluently and confidently, and I am not speaking fluently and confidently. Don't comparison to other. But because first Allah, because we have to think we are beginner, one day we will speak English fluently and confidently, then definitely we will speak English fluently and confidently. No one can stop us. So I am suggesting you, we want to passion and we have to keep practicing, then definitely we will notice many changes in our life. Yes, because what is English? English is a language. First Allah, we have to think what is English? English is a language. Anybody can speak English. Only we have to keep practicing. Got it? Okay. I hope you will keep practicing. Definitely you will